In this video lesson, you will learn how to use the colors class in Flutter and how to use it to change the background color of the app bar at the top, how to change the background color of the app body, and also how to change the color of the text widget. All right. So here we have a very simple app that is a material app, and it uses scaffold widget, and it has app bar at the top with a title and body with a text element at the center. Let's change the background color of the app bar first. So I will go to the app bar widget, and app bar widget has a property called background color. And as soon as I start typing the property name, Android Studio suggests me the name to use. So I will choose background color, and as a value of the color, I will use colors class. And then as soon as I tap dot, it will suggest me a list of material design colors that I can pick. So I can pick one, let's say for example blue, and I can start the app and preview it. My app is up and running. I will just hit at the hot restart to see how it looks. Now it's blue, let's pick a different color. Let's say red, save it, use hot restart, and the background color of the app bar is now red. Now these are material design colors, and you can learn more about material design colors if you go to material design website. Let me open a new window and then go to material.io, and then if you go to design section at the top and then look at the left side navigation menu, there you will have a color section. Click on it and then click on the color system. So here on this page, you will learn more about the material design colors, about the color palette, and also about the primary and secondary colors. But what I wanted to show you is that each color option, for example, on this image, each color box has a number at the bottom, which kind of indicates a color strength. The higher the number, the darker the color, and the lower the number, the lighter the color. Let's have a look at how we can pick this value in Android Studio. So if I go back to my project, and now when I have selected color, if I move mouse over red, it will display the commentation tooltip, and here it will display a list of different color swatches with a value specified in the square brackets. So the lower the value, the lighter the color, and the darker the value, the darker the color. So to specify the darkest color of the red, I will use the value 900 in square brackets, like this. Now, if I restart my app, it will be darker red. Now, let's learn how to change background color of the scaffold widget itself. So I'll go to scaffold widget, and either at the top here or just below the body property, I will use background color property and then use same colors class, and then we'll pick up red, but this time I will choose a lighter color, for example 50. That will be a very light red color. Now if I save this and then hot restart my app, the body of the scaffold widget changes to this very light red color, right? And finally, let's change the color of the text widget. And to change the color of the text widget, we will need to use a different property. It is called style. So I will choose style property, and as a value, I will need to use text style. And text style class has a property that is called color. And as a value, I will use same colors class, and this one I will choose gray, for example. And as a color option, I will choose dark gray, so I will use something like 900. Now I will save this and I will use hot reload my app, and I'm sure the color has changed. It's just visually I cannot see it very well. Let's change it to something like green, like this. And if I restart it, we will see a green color. Alright, so it is working well, and you now know how to use the colors class, how to pick a specific color value, how to change background color of the top app bar, how to change background color of the scaffold widget, and also how to change the color of the text widget.